In order to create a brand new YouTube channel, what you need to do is come to Google. So if you've opened up your browser, you can type in google.com, and as you can see, the Google search page is open. Now, obviously YouTube is owned by Google. So what we can do now is we can either come up to sign in here to create a new Google account. You might already have a Google account, that's fine. If you've got a Google account, you're halfway there already. If you haven't got a Google account, that's what we need to do first. So you can click on sign in, which is on the top right hand corner, this blue button here. And then if you've already got a Google account like I have, you can choose which account you want to sign in with. If you haven't, what you need to do is it won't say use another account here or say something like create account. So let me just go through this process. So I'm going to click use another account, and then I'm going to come here which says create account. So now what you need to do is fill in your details and pick a username, because this will be a username for a new Gmail or email address. So I'm going to just put in Jennifer Bailey because that's my name. And then it's going to be very difficult to get your first name, last name, because so many people have Gmail accounts. So you might have to be a little bit creative with it. So what I'm going to use is Jennifer Bailey online. Oops, if I spell that right. Like that. And then it usually will tell me at some point whether that's been taken or not. So we're just going to go with that for the minute. I'm going to put in my password, and you have to put that in twice. And then I'm going to click next. Right, okay, so I can't have Jennifer Bailey online, so I might just put an S in for my middle name here and see whether that will work. So there we go. I now have my username or my email address set up. So now what we need to do is we need to put a telephone number in, because Google wants to verify the account. So I'm going to put in my mobile number, but I'm going to obviously grade this out because I don't really want you to see my mobile number. So I put my mobile number in. You can also put an optional recovery email address in. So that doesn't have to be a Google one. It can be another email address, whichever you want. So if you lose your password and you can't get in here, they'll contact you on the other one. What I've done is if my children have a Gmail account, what I do is I put mine in as the recovery, because often they forget their passwords. So it notifies me if the password's been changed or they're locked out of their account, that sort of thing. So you can put that in. So I'm going to put one in here. And then I'm going to put my date of birth. My gender, and then next. So what's going to happen now is I should receive a text message to my mobile phone. So I'm just going to check to see if I've had a text message. I'll have to click send first, hang on. So I'm going to click send, and then I'm just going to grab my mobile phone from behind me. So I should have, in a minute, I should have a message comes through on my mobile phone. Here it comes. So I now put in my verification code, like so, and then click verify. And then I can click yes, I'm in. Then you obviously have the terms and conditions to read through. I'm just going to click I agree, and then create account. Okay, so just going to confirm that now. So there we go. I'm now signed in, as you can see up here. I can get to my Gmail, my email account, by clicking on Gmail here. Just bear with me, sorry, while it loads up. There we go. So I have a new email address, which I can use. Okay, I'm just going to skip this for the minute. And then I can come to these squares over here, and I can go to YouTube. And now it's asking me to sign in again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in with the information we just created. So I'll click sign in. There we go. So I've now been signed in to my new YouTube channel. So if I want to do anything with my channel, I come up to the icon, which is at the moment has no image in it because I haven't uploaded one yet, and also Jennifer Bailey, and then I can come down to my channel here. There we go. It's asked me what I want to use YouTube as. So I've put in my name. And if you are branding yourself online, I recommend that you use your real name. You may not want to, but in this case, that's what I'm going to do. You can also choose use a business or other name here. And then what this will do is create you a brand account. So here you might want to put the name of your business or what your channel is about. So for example, I might just call this Jennifer Bailey Marketing, for example, and then click create. And that's what people will see. There we go. So this is now the name of my channel, Jennifer Bailey Marketing. And now I've got the option to start customizing my channel.